I depict a genius when I care to write. Beaming from the heavens with my message like a satellite. Said it right, said it left. From my mind to the mouth, to the mic, to the record, cause I had to get it out. EXPRESSION. I was born or blessed with the pen, my domain. Started out so now I'm kinda like Jermaine. And my rap is a prescription, analyze your pain. Tryna fill it with you, tap into your issue. Till I feel it in my heart, feel it in my tissue. It's a combination of what you see and what I've been through. Every now and then I get to bleed it on an instrumental, or I'd mentally be breaking down. Inner pieces by my pieces, having words to break it down. And my pen is no match, like a lighter. I'm a thorough writer. Started as a write-off, right off the bat. Kick it for the rights off. Students in the ghetto trying to study, but the lights off. I write for the women, the prejudice they fight off. The internet is trolls, they think it's just a type of fake woke, if that's a thing. The sleep is fake. I'm a gangster like I'm Pusha and I'm sick as Drake. Food for thought, I set the table, get a fucking knife. Trolls are angry cause they dealing with a broken life. So don't be angry when they come at you talking like you got it all wrong, you losing and they got it right. And when it gets to real life, they always scared to fight. They ask you for a selfie just to let it slide, just to get the likes. Fantasize celebrity pictures where there's a better life. Is it ever on net, man? Is it real though? You made a rapper and life and he is still broke. I'm sicker though than all the ones viral. Thought you saw sativa, I could make your wits high-low. Check the halo, check the bits my 80. Eights is banging, they know, but then I spaz and lay low. Snap, I'm the Thanos, Elon Musk, I take off. Do it for the sake of the culture of this rap. Mike Templar, I came and took Jerusalem. Write them bars on the paper, I'm confusing them. What's the price on the paper when you choosing them? Probably higher than the one when you be losing them. Ubering, taxifying my bars. Drive the people crazy, you know I'm a star. I depict a genius when I care to write. Beaming from the heavens with my message like a satellite. Said it right, said it left. From my mind to the mouth, to the mic, to the record, cause I had to get it out. EXPRESSION. I was born or blessed with the pen, my domain. Started out so now I'm kinda like Jermaine. And my rap is a prescription, analyze your pain.